CSC 1-4, roll number 4. Roll number 4, CSC 1. CSC 1-5. CSC 1, Harsha 7. CSC 1-19. CSC 1-19.
Hello, sir.
Yes, 19. What is your name?
Sir, I am Nehal, sir.
Nihal.
Yes, sir.
Very good, Nehal. So, have you studied this data?
Yes, sir. I went through it once.
Very good. What is the purpose of RTD?
Sir, the purpose of RTD is to measure the temperature with respect to resistance of a material that is used in the RTD.
Very good. What is the full form of RTD?
Resistance temperature. One second.
Resistance temperature detector.
Detector. Yes, sir.
Very good. And third question, what are the materials we can use inside of the RTD?
Sir, it could be copper, nickel, tungsten, platinum, sir.
And barcode.
Yes, sir. And barcode.
Very good, Nihal. Thank you. Switch off your mic. CSC 315. CSC 315. $19.
Yes, sir.
CSC 319, yeah.
Yes, sir.
What is capital R with suffix T?
I think resistance of temperature.
So,
Okay.
I have shared the screen. By
Yes, sir.
seeing this, you can tell.
Yes, sir. Resistance of temperature.
Resistance?
At temperature T.
Right. So, if you keep this RTD device in any hot chamber,
Yes.
the temperature of the hot chamber will not be constant. Okay? In
Yes,
rare
sir.
cases, that hot chamber temperature can be constant, but in many of the cases, it will vary. Sometimes it will change from low value to high value temperature, or high value temperature to low value, depending on the application.
Yes.
So here, T is temperature of that time.
Sir, I didn't get it. T is the temperature of the
T
chamber.
is the temperature of the hot chamber
Okay.
at one particular time.
Okay.
Okay, if you
Yes,
are
sir.
measuring temperature from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. within that hot chamber, within that 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., that hot chamber temperature can be reduced or increased, or it will be vibrating in between 2 or 3 values. So at 10:30, if you are measuring, so T is the temperature of the hot chamber at 10:30. Okay?
Okay.
19.
Okay, sir.
Right. What is R0 or R0?
Resistance set reference temperature. I think at reference temperature.
Reference temperature within the brackets, you can see.
Generally at 0 degrees. Sir,
Yes.
if it's okay,
Tell me.
nothing, sir.
So if you are purchasing RTD from a shop, with that RTD, he will give you manual. Okay.
Yes, sir.
On that manual, manufacturer will give this information.
Oh,
So no need to keep our RTD at 0 degrees Celsius to measure its resistance, because manual has that information that we can consider as R naught.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
So next, what is A?
temperature coefficient of
Temperature
resistance.
coefficient of resistance. Resistance means if you are using platinum, it has a value. If you are using nickel, it has different.
Different.
Okay. Okay. 19. Thank you. Next.
Yes.
Switch off your. Is CSC 5 34.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What did you understand with this data?
Sir, in RTD, it depends on the material of what is used. Like if resistance of metal increases with the temperature in RTD, and it depends on surface area along with the length and depends on what material you use, and like the melting point of the metal influences the RTD.
Okay. Right. And what is the formula for RT?
RT is equal to R R0.
R0?
Yeah, okay. R0 bracket 1 plus. Is it
R0
alpha or
into.
A? Okay,
Some textbooks
R0.
they refer as alpha, some textbooks they refer as A, but most of the cases it is alpha.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Hmm.
R0 into 1 plus alpha into T minus T0.
Okay, what is T0?
T0 is 0 degrees Celsius, or the reference temperature.
Okay, right. And if you observe graph, okay,
Yes, sir.
here we have two lines. One is green line, one is red line.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between these two lines? Okay, beside
The
the graph,
temperature difference?
pardon?
Oh, wait. Sorry. It's the metals. I'm not sure.
Yeah, here beside the graph we have seen, we can see red line is PT 100 and green line is PT 100. So PT means platinum. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But within the brackets we have different values. These values are alpha or A. Okay. So red line is first RTD, green line is the second RTD. First RTD alpha value is 0.00375, but the second RTD alpha value is 0.003850. Because of that alpha value difference, we have different resistances at different temperatures. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. మీ నెంబర్ ఎంతండి?
So 34.
From
CS5.
CSC5, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 45.
Yes, sir.
What is full form of RTD?
Sir, RTD means resistance temperature detector.
Okay. So 45, what is your name? Sai, right? Sai?
Yes, sir. Sai Kaushal.
Sai Kaushal.
Yes, sir.
If you have RTD,
Okay, sir.
okay, assume that RTD resistance is 100 ohms
Okay, sir.
at 35 degrees Celsius.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you are keep on increasing temperature around that RTD from 35 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius
Okay, sir.
by using hot air or hot water.
Okay, sir.
Initially, you have measured RTD resistance as 100 ohms at 35 degrees Celsius. Now, temperature of the RTD is 100 degrees Celsius. What will be the resistance? High or low?
Sir, resistance will be high, sir.
Why?
Because it is they are directly proportional, no, sir, based
Very
on
good.
the formula. So
Right. In RTD resistance directly proportional to the temperature.
yes, sir.
Okay. We have other temperature detectors. In those devices, resistance will be inversely proportional to the temperature. While we are discussing about temperature sensors in our syllabus, we will come to know that. But here, RTD resistance is directly proportional to the temperature. Okay. And what is the formula for A or alpha?
Sir, alpha is R at a particular temperature, R at 100. Here it is taken at 100 degrees Celsius minus R at the reference temperature. Here it is considered as 0 degrees Celsius divided by the resistance at reference temperature multiplied by T minus T naught, like uh, the after temperature minus the reference temperature.
Okay, what are the units for alpha?
Sir, alpha is ohm per degree Celsius.
Degree Celsius.
So it will be sir degree Celsius inverse, no, sir?
Yes, because it is in denominator, we can say units like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, Kaushal, what are the different metals we can use in RTD?
Sir, we can use platinum, copper, nickel, Balco, and tungsten.
Very good. Okay, Kaushal. So,
Sir,
student, yes, tell me.
sir, I have one doubt, sir. Sir,
Yep.
what is Balco, sir?
Balco is another type of metal.
Okay.
Okay.
Again, I have never heard of that name.
Yes, yes. So, students, so this is first lab session. So, it is good you are giving answers. Next week onwards, I will maintain an online record. Okay. So, in that record, I will put all your names. If you give answers, I will allot marks. If you don't give answers or response, I will put 0. So, at the final evaluation, I will consider your responses. Okay. Every week we will execute one virtual lab experiment. Before that executing, I will ask questions like this. If you give response, I will allot marks for that lab session. At the semester end, I will consider all those responses to finalize your lab marks. Okay. This process method is called as continuous evaluation process. So from next week onwards, at least give response. Now I am fine. I am very happy with your responses.
Sir, for this, do you have end exams?
For lab session,
No, sir, for theory.
I didn't understand your question.
For theory, do you have end sem exams, sir, for this subject?
Yes, we have.
Okay, sir.
CSC 910. CSC 9, roll number 10. CSC 916. CSC 918.
Sir,
18 or 16?
18, sir.
Okay, what is the full form of RTD?
Resistance temperature detector, sir.
How it works?
Sir, it is a sensor used to measure temperature.
Let's come again, 18. It is a sensor.
It is a sensor used to measure temperature by
Okay.
correlating the resistance.
Okay, what is the nature of RTD? Whether it resistance increasing or decreasing depending on the temperature?
Increases, sir.
Okay, what is the formula for RT?
Sir, RT is equal to R naught into 1 plus A into T minus T naught, sir.
What is R naught?
R naught is resistance at a reference temperature, sir. 0 degrees Celsius.
Okay, what is T?
Temperature, sir.
Temperature at that time. Okay, or at that moment.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 18. CSC 943.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to maintain a record and observation for this lab sessions, no, sir?
I will tell you. I will tell you because some subjects has theory and lab. Okay. But this
Yes, sir.
subject we have only theory, but in timetable they have allotted a lab session also. So there is a confusion among the faculty in 3 campuses, Bangalore and Hyderabad and Vizag. So we will fix lab experiments or we will fix virtual lab by the next week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So by next week, I will inform you how to maintain record and observation.
Okay, sir.
And we have to ask HODs also whether to conduct a lab session or not. Because at the end semester, if they ask us why you have conducted lab sessions, it will be difficult for us. We have only theory in the syllabus. We don't have lab. So by next week, I will inform. Yes, 43.
Sir, hello.
Yes, 43. What is your name?
Yes, sir. Sai Varun, sir.
Okay. 43, tell me how to measure temperature using RTD.
Sir, RTD measures the temperature with respect to the resistance of a material, sir.
Okay, 43. I will ask one more question, but 1 minute. What are the different materials we can use in RTD? 43.
Sir, we can use platinum, chrome, nickel, balco, and tungsten, sir.
Okay, 43. Good. CSC 7.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. CSC 11, roll number 7. CSC 11, roll number 7. CSC 11, roll number 7. Roll number 59, CS 11.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what did you understand about RTD?
Sir, RTD is a temperature sensor which which uses resistance of the substance to measure the temperature.
Okay. Now I will show you graph. Can you explain about this graph?
So these both graphs are it represents the value of alpha for PT 100 sir and PT is platinum.
Both are PT100 only, but their
Yes.
alpha value is different.
Different.
Our resistance is varying, inversely proportional, directly proportional.
Directly proportional to temperature, sir.
Okay, ma, very good. Yes, triply Sai Vikas and Faraj, triply Faraj.
Yes, sir.
Faraj?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Faraj, what did you understand about RTD?
RTD is a resident temperature detector which detects the temperature of the given metal with respect to the resistance of it.
Can you explain about this graph?
The graph shows the value of alpha of platinum. These are the two different values of alpha when it
Okay,
changes.
Faraj. Okay, good. The CSC 13 Vidya.
Yes, sir.
Vidya, are you able to see graph?
Yes, sir, I'm able to see it.
Why we are using PT100 name? According to the graph, can you tell me the reason? Why we are using name as PT100? That is not in the data, I know that, but any guess by seeing this graph?
Maybe before the temperature max is given there.
Your voice is very low, Vidya.
Actually, before given was the max temperature is 100 only, sir, because the max temperature RT. So maybe in that case, platinum will be having the max temperature of 100 at alpha value varying. Maybe.
Platinum has maximum?
Maybe the temperature might be 100, sir. Before given data, they were like RT was given from 0 to 100, sir, 100 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
So in that way, I guess.
Okay, Vidya, you have tried. Very good for that. But what is x-axis here? X-axis parameter.
Resistance.
X-axis, amma. X-axis.
Sorry, sir. Temperature.
Y-axis.
Resistance.
Okay. At 0 degrees Celsius, what is the resistance value of red line or green line?
It's like it might be from minus 200 to 150, sir.
No, Vidya. On x-axis, we have values of minus 300 to minus 50, again 0, 50, 100, right? On x-axis.
Yes, sir.
On y-axis, we have 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, right?
Yes, sir.
At 0 degrees Celsius, what is the resistance value?
It is 100, sir.
Yes. PT means the metal which we are using. 100 means its resistance at 0 degrees Celsius. So that is the logic of the name. PT 100 means indirectly we can know at 0 degrees Celsius its resistance is 100 watts. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Vidya, very good. You have tried. Okay, students. So this is first lab session. Next week we will execute
Well, I'm sorry
virtual.
to
Yes.
interrupt you. Can you once repeat why PT is losing 100?
Here, PT means platinum.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 100 means at 0 degrees Celsius, its resistance is 100 ohms.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that is the logic. After 100, depending on the alpha value, it will exhibit different values, different resistance values. But both PT 100, PT 100 with different alpha values, they are exhibiting nearly 100 ohms resistance.
Okay, sir. I get it.
Okay. Okay, students, this is first lab session.